Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to close Axis Bank account online. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you have an account in Axis Bank and you want to close it, then follow these steps carefully. After you decide that you want to close your account, then before requesting for an account closure, if there is any pending use in your Axis Bank account, like there is a minus amount in your account, then you have to settle that first. And if there is any balance in your account, then you have to withdraw that balance first or transfer it to some other account. And also, if you have an auto debit account, an EMI account, or if you are in a mutual fund, then you have to close that account or transfer it to another account. After doing all this, your account will be eligible for closure. So the second step is you will have to fill the account closure form of Axis Bank. The form will look something like this. You can get this form from their website and then print it. Simply, you have to fill in all the details that are required. As soon as you fill this form, you have to submit it to the bank. You can also keep photocopies of your identity card and PAN card. And whatever is required in the bank, you have to attach it to the account closure form and you have to submit it to the bank. If you convince them properly, your account with Axis Bank will be closed in 7 to 8 days. So that's basically how you can close Axis Bank account online. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.